Okay guys, I'm squeezing some lime juice on my turkey neck to start to wash it. I clean it up already. I didn't show that process, that just would be a long video. So you can see my turkey neck that I'm cleaning, getting ready to wash it. So sometimes I use vinegar. I love my lime, not the lemon. I love the lime. And this, I start washing my turkey neck. I already take off the fat and whatever to come off of it. So I'm washing it now. This is, always have to wash your meat. Always have to wash your hand. I do all that. Maybe I didn't show it on the video, but I do wash my hand. Washing my turkey neck. Washing my onion and my scallion. I already stripped take off the dry part of it, and this is what I do. Alright guys, some scallion. I'm not cutting them small. That's about it. And my onion. It don't matter how you cut it up, long as it's washed. That's the part matter. That's about it. And my little scotch bonnet. My scotch bonnet washed already. I was in the freezer, so I washed them before I put them in the freezer. So I don't need to wash. They wash and I put them into a Ziploc bag. I love my scotch bonnet. Love it. It has this seasoned taste and smell. So good guys, so good. Yes, my little scotch bonnet. And guys, a little jerk season. Like I said, I'm cooking some turkey neck and a little jerk season, salt-free dash, garlic powder. I don't have no garlic. I love garlic and pimento seed. I love them in my meat. Yeah, I love garlic and pimento. The pimento I just crush it up, put in there, wash already. I didn't remember to show that part. Maggi season. all-purpose badia. And some browning. Give it a stir it since camera wasn't recording. It's just one of those things, you know. You just got to keep it moving. I thought the camera, me and my camera young man think the camera was rolling and it wasn't. We just find out it wasn't recording. So my apologies. This is turkey neck. I seasoned it last night. And I'm cooking it now. And it's a little frying pan. A little rapeseed oil in the pot. That's what I use. Rapeseed, coconut oil. Okay, there is rapeseed oil. Like I said, guys, I washed my hand and everything. I was talking all along and it wasn't recording. I washed my hands before I get started. I just didn't record. Always have to wash them. And yes, I did wash my hands. It just didn't record. Like I said, we thought it was recording and it wasn't. Give it a stir. Have his own water in it. Boil some water in my own kettle to pour on it to cook it, make it cook faster. So this is my kettle with some water. Okay guys, this is the finishing touch. My turkey neck just finished cooking, and this is what it looks like. The gravy in the bottom. Not too much gravy, I want it not too runny. This is the gravy. Put a little ketchup if you're wondering on it. And this is my turkey neck. There it is. Taste. Taste, guys. It tastes delicious. See, come out. Me coming off the bone. Guys, it tastes good. Tastes delicious. Delicious. Delicious, guys. You can cook it like how me cook it, or you cook it your own way. It don't matter. This is the finishing touch right here. Until next time, this is just me cooking our turkey neck for our family. Tastes delicious. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.